Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So today we're going to be checking out a lot of fall and winter haircut ideas. We start off with someone who has this gorgeous wavy hair. It's around mid-length or so. Stylist places the hair into a ponytail and cuts it right off. So he does hand her the ponytail, and it looks like she decided to switch it up with this really cute pixie style. Does have a lot of texture here, some bangs in the front. And then here she is coming back for a cut refresh. And it looks like here she is as a blonde. So she's definitely been having a lot of fun with her hair. I love this final look. Very pretty blonde pixie style. And once again, this pixie has a lot of texture. I love when I see dramatic transformations like that. So then we move on to the next one. It looks like she is getting a bob here. Nice classic shoulder length bob with a tousled texture. Color is really pretty too. Perfect for the fall season. Those caramel highlights and the sombre. Very nice. Ooh, so we have someone here going very short yet again. A lot of hair being cut off. So two of the hottest seasons for cutting the hair is definitely the fall as well as the summer. So there is all the hair. Oh, and she got this really pretty choppy pixie style. Gorgeous amount of volume here within the cuts. Beautifully done. Oh, I am loving this. So here we have someone. Hair is around just past her jawline, I would say. Looks like she's going super short here. So there is the before. Ooh, she also decided to get a pixie. A lot of pixies within today's video. So we move on to the next transformation. So she already has short hair here. I'm guessing she's in for a cut refresh. Whoa! Wow. Oh, So she ended up getting this super chic and stylish undercut pixie style. Wow, what a dramatic transformation. I was so not expecting this one. And she does have some hair that you can kind of play around with. Nice little design detailing on the side. Definitely an edgy, chic vibe here. Very cute. Next up, we have another cut refresh. Beautiful choppy texture here with this one as well. And like I said, that choppy texture is just going to create a nice amount of volume to the hair. Very nice cut. So let us know in the comments below, how are you rocking your hair this fall or winter season? Here we have someone who has a pixie. She's got the bangs going there in the front. I love that two-toned pop of color she has there within the bangs. Beautiful reddish brown burgundy shade, perfect for the fall. And then here she is about a month or a week or so ago when she was rocking out that reddish brown color, and I guess she decided to just get a cut, to get a refresh, and then keep some of the red, but mainly go black. I love that idea. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed all of these fall and winter hairstyle ideas that you can play around with this season. If you did, please be sure to show this video some love, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.